Want to speak English like a pro this Christmas? Let's go. Christmas. Tree. We decorated the Christmas tree with lights. Santa Claus. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Gift. I received a beautiful gift from my friend. Snow. The snow is falling outside. Lights. We hung colorful lights around the house. Star. There is a bright star on top of the tree. Angel. An angel was placed on the Christmas tree. Stocking. I hung my stocking by the fireplace. Reindeer. Santa's reindeer fly through the sky. Candy cane. I love eating candy canes during Christmas. Bells. The sound of bells filled the air. Wreath. A Christmas wreath hangs on the front door. Card. I sent a Christmas card to my family. Fireplace. We sat by the fireplace and drank hot cocoa. Elf. The elves help Santa make toys. Chimney. Santa comes down the chimney to deliver gifts. Sleigh. Santa rides his sleigh through the sky. Cookies. We baked cookies for Santa. Candy. The children love Christmas candy. Candle. We lit candles during the Christmas dinner. Fireworks. Fireworks lit up the sky on Christmas night. Gingerbread. We made gingerbread cookies. Scarf. I wore a scarf to stay warm. gloves. My gloves keep my hands warm. Hat. I bought a new hat for Christmas. Coat. He wore a red coat to the party. Wrapping paper. I wrapped the gifts in colorful paper. Bow. I tied a red bow on the gift. Hot chocolate. We drank hot chocolate by the fire. Turkey. The turkey was delicious. Thank you for watching.